हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू सीखो सीए स्टूडेंट।
Principles guiding TQM. Total quality management is an approach through which an entity can manage the quality of products or services in order to provide value to the customers as per their preferences. It focuses on the continuous improvement on the business processes, which ultimately considers the taste of customers. We have discussed some of the principles in our previous articles as mentioned below. We will conclude the principle in this article. A sustained management commitment to quality, focusing customers, preventing rather than detecting defects, universal quality responsibility, root cause corrective action. For the more details, please refer my previous article, Principle Guiding TQM. Here we shall understand the remaining principles which guide total quality management. We will conclude the principles in this article. Employee involvement and empowerment. It is worthless to think about improvement in business processes without the active participation of employees. TQM makes it imperative that employees must be involved and empowered. It means employees and management should collectively take part in organizational functions and processes to achieve goals and overcome hurdles. Inventory reduction. TQM prefers to hold inventories necessary for smooth operation as low as possible. It clearly states that inventory should be maintained of such quantity which should be at optimal quantity. Also, inventory should be ordered only on the requirement, that is just in time concept. The union of teams. Besides employee involvement and empowerment, the TQM also strictly demands the collective teamwork of employees and involvement of employees. It is only the way to effective process operation, and also it is an effective way to address the problems and challenge that arises for the continuous improvement. Thinking strategically. Problems that arises in an organization and expected problems that may arise in future should be strategically considered. TQM also thinks about reducing processes or products design variation and statistical methods that are preferably suited to support this objective. Value improvement. The continuous improvement also considers the value improvement. It focuses on quality and it states that products or services should have the ability to meet or exceed customers' requirements and expectations. The essence of value improvement is the ability to meet or exceed customer expectations while removing unnecessary cost. Supplier teaming. TQM also demands that in order for the continuous improvement and to achieve the organizational vision, organization should take an initiation to develop long-term relationships with high-quality suppliers rather than simply lower cost. Training. It is very essential for an organization to have employees who are competitive and efficient in order to achieve organizational goals. For this, training is most essential tools necessary for continuous improvement. Well, these are the basic and common principles that guide the TQM philosophy. An effective implementation of TQM helps the organization for the continuous improvement. Further, implementation of TQM does not work within a day. It may take a certain period. So, if you want to embark upon the journey of TQM, you need to be patient and observant. If you have inquiries, please feel free to comment. Thank you.
नमस्ते बच्चा लोग।